You eat well, you try to sleep, but you still feel exhausted. Your brain feels sluggish, and your body just doesn't have the spark it used to. The problem might not be your diet or your schedule, it might be something much deeper: your mitochondria. These tiny powerhouses inside nearly every cell are responsible for generating over 90% of your energy. When they're healthy, you feel vibrant and alive. But when toxins damage them, your energy plummets and a devastating cycle begins. Here's how toxins attack your cellular engines. First, they damage mitochondrial membranes. Heavy metals like mercury, lead, and arsenic disrupt the delicate structures that produce your energy, making them inefficient and dysfunctional. Second, they create a vicious cycle. Damaged mitochondria produce less ATP, which means your body has less energy to run its detox pathways. So the toxins that cause the damage can't be removed, and they cause even more harm. And third, they harm your mitochondrial DNA. Unlike other parts of your cells, mitochondrial DNA has very limited repair capacity, meaning the damage can become permanent. But there is a way to break the cycle. In our full guide, you'll discover why chronic fatigue is the #1 sign of mitochondrial dysfunction, the two-step protocol to remove toxins and recharge your cells, how mitophagy, your body's natural renewal process, can restore your energy, and the essential nutrients your mitochondria need to thrive. Ready to recharge your cellular powerhouses? Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the link in the description below to read the full guide and start restoring your energy at the cellular level today.